Hey, this is Allison with Rip and Finish. Today we're out in Independence and we are doing a floor that may look like yours at home. I think that it's really complicated to make it look brand new, but it's not. So this over here is just one cut with the sandpaper, and look how beautiful that looks. So this is a wooden flush vent. They each come in different species. This is red oak, which will match the species of our floor. And they come out like this so you can clean it, and it just really enhances the look of your floor. It's real clean as opposed to those old metal ones that you get builder grade. This really makes it look nice. Our vent hole that we've got, we're gonna put the wooden flush vent around it, and we're gonna trace it out. This is a typical size, a 4x10 that's seen in a lot of houses. So once you trace it, Fernando's just gonna take his fine tool and cut this out. And this will also get sanded with the floor, so it's nice and even. It'll get sanded and stained and finished with the floor.